Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Two Stars Sudoku, not in today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 27th, 2022, 4 days to go, end of the year to end of this year. No, it's not in today's newspaper because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no extra, no extra puzzles. It's the additional or the edition of Thursday, December the 8th. Well ago, 2022, only 3 weeks ago, almost 3 weeks ago. Anyway, it's holiday, so publisher has not published a lot of puzzles, only one today. But let me continue. This one will be number 5696. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in. Oh, no. Let me start with the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. Then. How about the 6 in the first row, the 6 in the second row, so the third row, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Then let me think for 4, 8. 8. Well, yeah. 1. Come on. 5. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. The 1 in the third row, the 1 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. 1. Right. 2. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. It should be a there. 4. 4. Alright. Yeah. 8. 8, 8. Okay. Yeah. 6, 6. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. The 4 in this row, the 4 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, though, need 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2. The 3 is missing. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, last column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Still cannot continue with the 4 and the 1. Well, yeah. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the second row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this row below, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this row. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. So the 6 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. 9, 9. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 and 5, okay. How about these 2? 2 and 8. Oh. Well, 7, 7. I'm thinking 5, 3, 2, and 5. Well. Where's the opening? The opening 1 and the 4. 1, the 4 should be here then. How about here? 1, 4, 2. 2. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. Then we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Do we have all the 4's? Yes, and all the 4's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. How about the 1 then? The 1 in the third column, the 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright. 3 and the 2 missing numbers in the second row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. Now we have a 9 in this row, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. Do we have all the 9s? Yes. And all the 9's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright. 6 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in the last column. 6 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Well, 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, told you, need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 Stars Sudoku. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Yes, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.